What's up, guys? This is Ray from Airlift Equipment, and lately we've been asked a lot, how do you reset your 3S, 3P, or 3H system? Like if I get in my car and my remote doesn't turn on, how do I reset my system? Well, we made a very quick video for you. Sal made one. Check it out.
Hi, I'm Sal from Airlift Equipment. Let me show you how to reset your system, 3S, 3P, or 3H. Check it out. The first you need to do is unplug your manifold all the way out, wait a couple seconds, 5-10 seconds, and plug it back in, and you hear the click. Also, you can take these fuses out for your air system to reset the manifold. I'm Sal from Airlift Equipment. Thank you for watching.
If you guys like that video or you have any questions for us, you can find us at airlihtequipment.com or on Instagram at airlihtequipment.